Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a wash and go with some cornrows in the front, so let's get started. So I'm starting off by separating my hair into two, just doing two cornrows in the front. So that's what you'll be seeing here. I won't go through this process because this process is not a tutorial in the least. I will just go through the montage and then I'll be back to show the combo that I'll be trying out in this video. So stay tuned for that portion of the video. Alrighty, so as you would have seen in the last clip, I would have used a combination of two products from the doux, being the Big Papa and the B Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. So what you're seeing me do is just separate my hair because I like to work in sections. So I will just do that quickly, then I will get back to showing how I will apply the products. Alright, so I am just going to be spraying water because I like to do my wash and goes on wet hair, not dripping wet hair, but wet enough hair so that the product can coat the strands as much as possible and there can be a lot of definition. So as I said, I am just making sure that my hair is as wet as possible. So you're going to see me apply a lot of water to my hair. Then I'm going to go in with the Big Papa. So this is the base coat. Since the B Girl Crazy Sexy Curl is a setting foam, I'm going to put it on top. Both products work very well separately, but I just want to see how they're going to work together. So as you're seeing, I am going to just be applying the B Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, just making sure that my strands are coated and just also making sure that the curl definition is there. Then I will just go in with the B Girl Crazy Sexy Curl as you're seeing here now, and I will be applying that to the top part as it is a setting foam. So that's essentially what you're going to see me do throughout this video. I will skip through the montage because it's going to just be the application, but feel free to sit back, relax, and enjoy the process, and I will catch you when it's time to show the results. Alrighty, so these are the wet results. They looked extremely promising. I'm just going to show you the side to side profile, and I said looked because you will find out why. I will diffuse, then I will show you the results.
Much later.
Alright, so it's been about 2 days later, and really and truly, when I tell y'all that my hair was dry and lacking definition, please believe me. This combination does not work well. Products work well on their own, but as a combination, absolutely not. So I'm going to try to save this style by doing a braid out on my hair. I'm just going to try to salvage it, and we are going to see if I can wear my hair as a braid out for the rest of the week, because my hair was just extremely dry, and as you're seeing, no definition, no nothing. So that's what you will see me do. Then we will see if my hair holds up as a braid out. We will see.